question says, Shalom Kabbalah. A non-Jewish, non-believer is angry at me for something that happened many years ago. But their accusation includes things that are not true. Question. Do you just ask forgiveness and ignore the untruth for peace in the family? Or what would Allah recommend to do?
So it's actually there is a very straightforward not recommendation, but the Torah says, right, that we must clear our name. So if somebody says something like a not true, like a false accusation, we have to clear our names. So if somebody calls you fat, your nose like this, you're limping, your hair, you're like all these like stupid things, right? So you don't know how to dress, you're like all of this, right? Your car, you this and that. Okay, there is no problem. So you're not obligated to clear yourself, right? But when there is accusations, so you have to clear your name. Absolutely, you have to talk to the person. Look, whatever it says, it's not true, right? All of this, whatever you say, the 7 things, 5 things, whatever you said about me, yes, it's true. I apologize, and I want to compensate you. I want this and that, but this one thing, absolutely not true. Not true. Okay. So of course, before saying that, try to prepare like some explanation why it's a false accusation. If you can prove somehow, try to prove it. But yeah, we have to clear our names.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So I was thinking about taking this into consideration. I was thinking about the story that Rabbi told about the Rothschild person, and then there's this story about a rabbi that took upon himself the guilt of the blame. When there was some like pipe, some sewage that was kind of clogged with some paint, and he decided to give some money to his neighbor, even though he was not guilty. So I was thinking, is this like, I don't know, still an option if we see there's no outcome, there's no way out of the situation, perhaps?
So that's I actually marked myself this last line. The last line is a critical line, and HaShem is going to protect his righteous people. Are we simple people who are still not on that level allowed to do it? Maybe not. And when I made this clip on several channels, they left us messages, right? So people say, yeah, but please tell me where this Tzedakah lives, and I'm going to all this. He's probably not from here. All these things, because that's in people's mind. They would trying to take advantage. You understand? Every way possible. So for simple people who we should not count on HaShem protections, meaning because we put ourselves in that situation. But here on his grandeur level, absolutely. You understand?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.